Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready and start. The period shall be fixed by the father after due intimation to the mother, who shall permit the child to go with the father for the aforesaid period. Stop for twice every month, preferably on Saturday or Sunday or a festival day. Mother shall allow the child to visit the father from morning to evening. Stop. Father shall take the child and leave him back at the mother's place on such days. Stop. The appeal is dismissed subject to aforesaid modifications. Stop. Costs fixed at rupees 25,000. Stop stanza. Though we find that the order of the High Court does not suffer from any infirmity, but taking into account the fact that we have dismissed the connected civil appeal relating to the custody of the child while upholding the finding of guilt for disobeying the court's order and committing contempt of court, we restrict the sentence to the period already undergone. Stop. Before saying omega, we propose to make some general observations. Stop. It is a disturbing phenomenon that large number of cases are flooding the courts relating to divorce or judicial separation. Stop. An apprehension is gaining ground that the provisions relating to divorce in the Hindu Marriage Act, 1950 bracket in short the marriage act bracket clause has led to such a situation. Stop. In other words, the feeling is that the statute is facilitating breaking of homes rather than saving them. Stop. This may be too wide a view because actions are suspect. Stop. But that does not make the section invalid. Stop. Actions may be bad, but not the section. Stop. The provisions relating to divorce categorize situations in which a decree for divorce can be sought for. Stop. Merely because such a course is available to be adopted should not normally provide incentive to persons to seek divorce unless the marriage has irretrievably broken. Stop. Effort should be to bring about conciliation to bridge the communication gap which lead to such undesirable proceedings. Stop. People rushing to courts for breaking up of marriage should come as a last resort, and unless it has an inevitable result, courts should try to bring about conciliation. Stop. The emphasis should be on saving marriage and not breaking it. Stop. As noted above, this is more important in cases where the children bear the brunt of dissolution of marriage. Stop. One must not lose faith in humanity. Stop. It is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Stop. If nothing ever went wrong in one's life, he or she would never have a chance to grow stronger. स्टॉप। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 90 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।